it to the motel.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Happy and comfortable.
Now we're watching stuff. See?
Oh, I'm just really not finished.
You found your brother, Eddie.
2, 1.
The jeans on me.
Look, there's little eels right here.
In the igloo. Devon. How cold is it?
Yeah.
And these guys are the smallest species of penguins in the world. So if you have a wee look at Kiko as she's looking around, you may notice that one of her eyes is a little duller than the other.
Devs.
Hello.
Hello.
So anyway, do us stay here.
Yeah, I know.
I thought everyone could.
Not quite. 16.
There is. Oh, here is.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to go in anymore.
Here at the port town of Littleton. It's a beautiful New Zealand summer day. It's absolutely freezing. Ooh. How's your pie?
Thank you.
It raises the alarm, and powerful hands lift him off the ground, his bare feet scrap.
Wormen. Die gaan even snacken. Die donut? Wil die donut?
What do you guys reckon so far? We're about just over an hour into it. Hey, we made it. How are we all feeling? Good, Dibs? Yeah? What are you guys up to?
Skimming rocks.
Skimming rocks.
Then we got 9 skims.
Whoa. Made it to the top of
Where's my baby?
Little Mount Cookie. You're gonna die. What do we got, Maddie?
It's creaking.
Let's see.
Where's my rod? Quick! So, where are we and what are we doing?
We're in the salmon farm and we're getting sushi.
Okay, in the salmon farm thingy getting some sushi, which makes logical sense. Yep, getting fish at a fish farm place. And coffee. Alright, give it a go, Debs. See what you think. What's up, Debs?
2, 1.
Just ding and make it work. Here.
And video. Excited, buddy? Alright, they're all ready to go. There's a dead man here.
The roadkill.
Yep.
Okay, now the harbour here.
Hey, there goes the steamboat.
Yeah. It's a nice.
So Devs, explain to me what you've got here.
Cool rocks.
Yeah, what are these? Yeah, pretty good.
About her there too, pull it, ladies. Load it down after the swimming jimp's also loaded at the front. It's going to take from about 35-40 minutes.
What do you guys think of the afternoon tea buffet?
Oh, it's so like sandpapery. See?
Much more expensive.
Just deter them away from it, okay? Doesn't hurt them, just is a little bit uncomfortable.
With heavy rainfall.
Hi guys! Deze kant op, ja.
Beautiful. My hair starts growing.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome back to a YouTube video. Today we're looking at Queenstown. Today we are learning. Guys, my hamster just died. Like and subscribe for a prayer for my hamster. Thank you.
Wow. Gracias.
Zonder van Breetventures die werkt ook. Die jongen
It's cold.
Oh yeah, that's right.
There's nothing to hold on to.
Yep. How's it going, buddy?
I came up with my handbag thinking there'd be a shop for a coffee out here, but there's none.
Why didn't they have a exit thing? Because then this is...
Yeah, it should be one way.
I just looked up and saw the great furl of this black cape blowing in the wind and realised it was just... Get onto this one.
No, there's so many different...
Thank you, darling.
Maybe they're trying to keep the